morning and Merry Christmas. That's what it feels like anyway, because I have the new Blend Bunny launch. This is the new Blend Bunny collab. I'm so excited. But before we get into that, hi, hello, I am Courtney Quarantine, your host. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, and makeup artist. If you like any of those things, whether it be makeup or video games or anything like that, or you just kind of like chatting and hanging out, you like long-form content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. If you're coming back, hey! Kind of hot in here. I think I need to turn on the fan. Hold on. Okay, much better. Whew. If you would like to give this video a thumbs up, if you like makeup tutorials and you want to see more, go ahead and gives it a thumbs up. But if you want to wait till the middle or the end or some random moment where I make you giggle for a thumbs up, that's cool too. I'm not assuming that I'm funny, actually. Anyway, or you can give a thumbs up when you see the shimmers, because I'm very excited about that. I haven't opened this yet and I'm actually losing my mind. If you want to go ahead and comment right now what colors you think I'm gonna use. We'll see if you're right. And then maybe add what colors you're like, oh, you use this one. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Seriously, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you being here. And I do hope that you like my work and my content. Okay, let's get into it. Whoa! It's always a good day because I know that I'm gonna become obsessed with this. The quality is amazing. I have no questions in my mind. I need to open this. So now this just launched on the 18th, which is really cool because this is in collaboration with Taj, and that is Taj's birthday. I think that's so cute. I think there's gonna be a lot of things in here because it is so personal, because knowing Blend Bunny and knowing the creativity that like Maggie will allow creators to have, which is just like fantastic. I feel like we're gonna learn a lot about the creator in like these products. You know what I mean? Like even shade names. I don't know, maybe I'm assuming, but I feel like I've also kind of seen stuff on that and I'm like, yes, that's the stuff I like. Oh, the cute little tissue paper. It's so cute. Oh, I already see the lip. Oh my god. And the lip liner slash, I think you can use this as an eyeliner. Yeah, I think everything is in here. I'm so excited. Maggie, Blend Bunny, thank you so much. I love you. You know I love you. I know this is the highlight palette. Simply put, oh, this packaging is so sleek. Other than my fingerprint on it, I'm so sorry. Look at that. That's so cool. Woo! Okay, so this is the full collection, which I am so incredibly grateful for, but I'm so excited because even if I did not have it here, I'm not gonna lie, I would have put it in order. Blend Bunny is a company that not only I am lucky enough to receive PR from, but they are a company that I can go back to and like repurchase restocks or like anything that I need. They're just top tier for me. You know that. Ooh. Ooh! Donidarkowitz presents Little Miss She Never Misses Eye and Face Palette. Ooh. Donidarkowitz x Blend Bunny. That's so cool. Okay. I'm gonna open this right now because I am in fact going to do an eye look immediately, if that wasn't already apparent. Ooh, so sleek. Oh, these shimmers, dude. Okay. Look at these shades. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Get into the shifts. Oh. Wow. Okay. There is a mirror in the top. I do want to note that. I like the size of this. I also, yes, Peter. Yes. Come here. Okay, come here. She has to say hello. She's excited. Are you excited? Wanna try? Yeah, you wanna see? Oh, yeah. You gonna sit with me? Yeah. Oh, I knew it. I knew she wanted to sit with me. I'm now gonna have cat hair embedded in my makeup, but it's fine. I would go through it every day for PD. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I will say I'm extremely excited about the colors that are happening here. The shimmers, I'm so excited to see Cowboy Country. You know what? Actually, literally all of them. Literally all of the shimmers, immediately yes. I really like the tones. I really like reds. I really love purples. I really love greens. And I really love blues. So I love it, yeah. So, it's hard because where do you decide to go first? But I know. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna get into each product like as I'm doing my makeup. So I will open the highlights, use the highlights then. The lip, I might use the liner as eyeliner and a lip liner because I heard that you could do that. Now, let me be very clear. When you are using a product, in between using it on your eyes and your lips, you need to sanitize it. You need to not go straight from your eyeball to your lip and vice versa. Bacteria. Okay, I don't care how many times I like cleanse my face or brush my teeth. I'm not doing that, and neither should you. So keep that in mind. Something that I would also note is that when I really love shades like this, I will get 2 of them. I know that's a little extra. I know that's probably not necessarily like easy to do, but I will make sure that I have them separated. And it's only usually products that I use down all the way. Like I'm talking like eyeliners that I use up all the way, not liners that launch and then I just use for a couple days and then I toss to the side. Okay, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Great. So will this become one of those products for me? Maybe. Honestly, maybe, because I saw some swatches and I said, so I'm so excited for the palette, but don't even get me started on the highlight. Okay, I'm like sweating. I need to get started. I'm gonna start off with ... Is it every day? This looks like a really nice, like kind of light, kind of coolish purple, like a lilac, a dusty lilac almost. Yeah. I'm just gonna do a light, simple look. Oh God, that is stunning. That is stunning. Yeah, duh, I would love that. Like, duh. Yup. Now I'm gonna go up here to Powerline, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Powerline and Pain, this red shade. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with Powerline and kind of just take it into the crease. This is pretty much, yeah, the kind of purple that I love, that I know that I love. Oh, it's blending effortlessly, because duh, it's Blend Bunny. I don't know what to tell you at this point. Then I'm gonna take Pain with that same brush and just kind of like run it right over top. Yeah, Is Powerline from the Goofy movie? What is that character? Why am I thinking of that? Is that in reference to that? I don't know. That might be a reach. That could be a reach. I'm not sure. Cannot confirm. That looks really pretty already though. Don't you think? Yeah. Building up more of the Pain shade, and then I like to kind of go in and blend like as I'm working with color sometimes, just to make sure nothing's getting too stark. Know what I mean? Yeah, look at that. Easy. At least that's how I want it for this one. You can go in with like micellar water. If you're doing cut creases or graphics shapes, that's different. I typically like, at least when I first use a product, to kind of use a technique or like a routine that I wear a lot of. So like a really smoky, really grungy kind of vibe. That's usually my go-to. Taking this shade, it says Rest Mayhaps. I like that. I'm gonna put it out here. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, absolutely. I know purples and reds can be really finicky. We're hanging in there. I feel like it's cute, but it's not that dramatic, okay? We need to like bump it up a little. Taking Reed Mortuary, which is like this nice, deep maroon brown. Oh my God, I don't know, but I love shades like this, and I'm just gonna see what it gives. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm freaking talking about. That is actually what I needed. That is what I needed. That is what I wanted. Yeah. Calling it right now, this might be my favorite shade in the whole palette. Maybe. Well, I haven't even used the blues yet, so I should chill out. I should calm down, because you know I love blue. Woo! You know? Not the only thing you see. I'm gonna stand out. This is looking stunning, if I do say so myself. Now, I feel like I could keep it here and have this like matte purpley plumish moment and be really happy with it, but the shimmers, I think I'm gonna go in with Cowboy Country first. Jesus. That is soft. That is smooth. Oh, sweet heavens. Okay. Well, okay. Yeah. Well, that's pretty. Okay. Right. I'm gonna put Don't Piss Me Off. I'm pretty sure that's what it stands for. Don't PMO. Ooh. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of Kenneth, maybe? Yeah, I think so. And I'm just gonna put it like a little light. Okay. I meant lightly. I'm gonna spread it around. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. I'm using it so lightly, like I cannot express to you how lightly I'm using that. Oh, yeah. Well, that's really pretty. Ooh, put it on the inner corner, maybe? Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is stunning. Ooh, wow. Really like that. I'm gonna be really honest with y'all, because I feel like it would not be like me if I didn't mention this, because when I first saw a couple of the names of the shimmers, it like took me a second, because they look like they're kind of tied to Harry Potter, and then I had to remember that this is not a Harry Potter palette and funds aren't going to a horrendous person. So that was cool, but it took me a second because I was like, wait a minute. But that's just because, you know, but it's Blend Bunny. So starting off with Power Line on the lower lash, I'm just gonna run it all the way across. Well, like 3/4 of the way across. Yeah, actually kind of all the way across. Read Mortuary next, because I already know. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. No one is surprised that I love this so much. No one, not one. And if you are surprised, you must be new here. Now, like I said, I'm going to use the lip liner as an eyeliner and as a lip liner, but this is 89 Fine. I'm literally so thrilled. Ooh, sleek. Velour lip liner. Cool packaging. It has like the Matrix kind of like 10 code. Do you twist it up? You twist it up? Sharpen it? Yes. So do not sharpen this. This is you twist to get more product up. I'm just gonna go straight in and kind of see. Yeah. Yeah. This on the lip. I already know I'm gonna go through this like crazy. Stunning. Great. Just swatching it on my hand too, that is so freaking smooth. Like it is like, I don't want to waste any more of it actually, so I'm not going to continue to swatch it, but it is smooth. I usually am not a retractable like pencil type of person. I usually only like things you can sharpen, like just because I feel like you can get a really sharp line with them. It does have a sharpener in the bottom if you're concerned about that, but just something to note. I do predict that I will like this not only for the tone, but I do think I'm going to like the wear on this, just judging from what I've heard, but we shall see. I'm going to take a little bit of the Don't PMO, Don't Piss Me Off shade, and just kind of run it underneath here. Ooh, wait. Picking it up on a brush and kind of just, it's super subtle, and that's kind of how I want it to be. Yeah. Yeah. I need another one of these actually immediately. I do think, just as a whole, I've been looking for a really nice brown eyeliner, and that is like deep and beautiful and wonderful. It glides so well. Okay, anyway. Okay, now. Ooh. Well, oh, I hope you can catch the like little bit of purple that's happening over here. Wow, Skin of a Killer. Come on, man. Come on. I must swatch them immediately. Jesus Lord. Woo. Woo. Yes, soft. Ooh, wow, that one is soft. Ooh, woo. You know, I could, but I'm not going to. You doorknob. I'm gonna take a little bit of that one. I'm gonna just see just a little tiny bit because it seems like it's like this. Yeah. Yep. Oh, that's pretty. Notice how you don't see it. You can see a little bit of sparkle. There's no cast. There's no line. A little bit of shimmer. A little light shimmer. I don't like a lot of shimmer / glitter on my cheeks as of late, but I do think that that is very soft and like warm and pretty and stunning. I do like that. Again, I feel like that is so seamless actually. That is so seamless. That just makes my cheeks look cute and juicy. I'm gonna take Skin of a Killer because obviously duh. But what I need to do is see what it's like as a brow and a nose highlight. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and like kind of put it right here. Oh my God. Okay, well, I'm just gonna take a little bit. Oh my God, dude. Okay, well, I love that. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm probably gonna use that down to the core. I'm gonna use every little speck of that. Look at that. Come on. Okay. Even if I'm gonna shout out loud. I haven't seen the Goofy movie and I don't have any memories of it actually, but what? Oh my God. Sweet heavens. It's like even a little bit on my hand. Ooh! Now for a nose highlight. IKDR. Put a little bit of that on top. Just because like I literally just want to. Ooh. Okay. Right here. Yeah. Yeah. I like this. I like that there's a mirror inside. I like that. I like that. Now onto the lips. I have went ahead and cleaned this off and I'm going to use it as a lip liner now. I'm going to do my lip line like how I usually do, like my signature lip. That is so smooth. That is so smooth. Oh my God. Ooh, but it still blends. Okay. Ooh, okay. I like that. So far, so good. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yep. Not my ministry. Okay. So this is the Donidarkowitz X Blend Buddy High Shine Gloss. Ooh. Ooh. Again, I really like the packaging. Look at how cool that is. I love that. Ooh, okay, so it's a little paddle. It's not like a normal traditional bowl foot. Doe foot. Different animal. Not a doe foot, it is a paddle foot. What is that scent? What is that scent? It smells like marshmallowy candy, but also, oh my God, what is that? Blend Bunny, what is that? Taj, what does that smell? I want to eat this. Ooh. Oh, oh, oh. I only took the littlest bit. It doesn't lock close, but I still really like this. That's my only thing with like lip glosses and stuff. I always hope that they like lock close, but I don't think there's too much of a tint to it. Like it's not gonna be like pink. I just have pink pigmented lips, just in general. I have to say, I like the texture. It does feel like a lip gloss without feeling sticky. I hate sticky lip products. I really, oh no. But the shine is really there. I'm really happy about that. Because sometimes when it says like high shine, it's like, okay, it is shiny because it's a lip gloss, but it's not like, it doesn't have the oomph. That is really pretty. That is really nice. Before I say anything else, Taj, Blend Bunny, congratulations. These are stunning. As I read more about Taj, like as I get to like hear more of the stories in the background, I'm finding the common thread of like family and just this like the passion and obviously the artistry, my God. But I feel like it really, again, is a collection that feels very intentional. It feels very like close. It feels very important. The kind of things that we carry with us about like maybe it's family or friends that inspire like certain things with makeup is really powerful. And these things are very important. This collection is so stunning. It feels very thought out, but it also feels very personal. So it feels, again, like a treat for me to get. But it does make me very emotional when I read about how like supportive Taj's family is and just how wonderful that is to have the support of the artistry and your creative passions is just critical sometimes in people's lives. And I don't mean to get like all weepy, but I think that aspect is really important. And I think it's something to note because, and to celebrate, honestly. It's no secret that I love when makeup is made by people who love makeup and who feel very passionately about makeup. But when it gets to be something that is celebrated, that is so much bigger than one person, that is so much bigger than, you know, some company that slaps a creator's name on something. Like it's so much deeper than that. And I don't even know this person. I don't even know Taj. It's just, makeup is really powerful in my world, and I love to see that it is in other people's and it should be celebrated. And these are the kind of things that I love to see in this space. So Blend Bunny, just specifically to you, Maggie, thank you so much again. I don't think I have to sit here and say how much I love you, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I love you so much. This means a lot to me. Receiving stuff like this from you is like Christmas. I'm not even kidding. I love how stunning this look is. I feel like I'm not even focusing on that, but like, God, this looks so good. These are some items that I feel like I will repurchase time and time again. I know with the liner, lip liner and eyeliner situation, that's just something I will go through a lot of. I just think the highlight palette is really handy. Like it's just something where I can keep like on my vanity, and I love the highlights, and the tones are just wild and so reflective. The way that you can build them up or have them be super soft, I quite enjoy. The palette, I don't even know if I really have to say anything, but I'm going to. I love Blend Bunny shadows. They are second to none. I just feel like they're so incredible. Really fun. They're bold colors. I just feel like the shimmers are no doubt gonna be insane, but I really like this. I like all of these bold colors, and to have them on one palette is really nice. Very excited to get into the blues and the greens. Let me know if there's anything in specific that you want to see with this one. This, I don't know what that smell is, and the shine is so freaking real. I'm so glad that it's actually high shine versus just a normal gloss, because let's be honest, some glosses look more like bombs sometimes, and you're like, I want the shine. The palette is 47, highlight is 35, lip liner is 12, and then the high shine lip gloss is 15. You can use Courtney with Blend Bunny, and if you do, thank you so much. Blend Bunny is one of my faves. You know that, I know that, Blend Bunny knows that. Woo! And this look. But anyway, let me know what you think. Taj, again, beautiful job. Wow, I cannot wait to see more. As always, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!